I got multiple things going on at the same time here, but I don't think I can put this in one vlog within 10 or 15 minutes, or not even 20 minutes, because there's like 3 or 4 things happening at the same time. I just happen to be working on my oil catch can together with my overflow container, or should I say coolant overflow tank. But yeah, I'm gonna put these two together, like I have said when I was doing the catch can. But this will be here, and I am just simply going to supply the aluminum bracket. I am going to spot weld it right here, like so. And just drill some holes, and it'll be with just a bolt and a nut. Yeah, too bad I couldn't put any a threading on this. I probably could. Maybe spot weld a piece of aluminum here and then tap some, make some threads on there, so it'll be a lot easier for me. Yeah, I might do that. So yeah, I just want to finalize this, get rid of this plastic one. So my hose will be from here, and I'm just gonna route it through here and then shoot that way. So I have to put this in a way where it's almost level to this. I can't go any higher like this, otherwise when I open the radiator cap, the water will be flowing through the hose. So I don't want that. So it has to be almost level right there. So as you can see, it's almost level. This thing, the tank is a little bit higher, but that's okay. It will be right about, the water should be right about right here by my thumb. Yeah. And this one here, the nipple, I'm gonna cut this off, and I am going to put a dash 4 fitting. And I got a dash 4 line, and that's what I'm gonna use with all this straight fittings and 45. But when it comes to here, I have one of those fitting that has a clamp, so it's like a fake one, but that will do. I've been looking for a nipple right here, you know, some kind of a like maybe a dash 3 or a dash 4 fitting, but I could not find one. So that's the plan for my coolant overflow. And as you can see, I made my own bracket, and it's all tied into here. There's 3 things going on that corner, and the third one is this. I have said this one, that this came off from a BMW, and right there. So if I have to jump, just open this lid, I'm good to go. Cool. Yeah, sorry I didn't show much of the bracket, but you don't miss much. It's nothing but cutting, you know, measuring, welding, buffing, and all that. But the final product is, as you can see right there, the raw product. So yeah, I'm gonna spot weld this over there, but I think I'm going to cut this off first, and then just run I think this is 1/8 through there. I'm gonna do that before I weld it. Hopefully this one don't leak. I got this from Amazon under Evil. I think that should be good. All right. So all I need is just to shave this and then spot weld. Here we go.
Doesn't have to be pretty. You'll penetrate the camera.
So here it is. After I weld it, I put some a little bit of aluminum here, and I'm gonna drill it and then put a thread on there. So it's just simply goes here. I got it all marked, and I'll just put some holes in it, and I should be golden. Cool. Alright, I'm gonna polish this up and paint shop, and then next step will be onto Miley. Cool. But let me show you what for some of you guys that wanted to see what I did to the bracket. So it's just nothing but a 1-inch stock that I put together, and this one here, and all tied in 3 points. That's it. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but with all the sun and everything, but I'm about ready to put this on. Oh yeah, let me show you what I am going to do. I think maybe I should make this a separate vlog. My DIY repositioning of my battery in the trunk. So it's pretty neat. This is I like this one. I got this off from BMW, and I believe this is a DAS 4 or a 6. It's for a Civic. Let me show you the feature on this thing. Alright, so I have these two wired together. This one, the red one, is going to the back, and this one is simply going to the fuse box. And what makes it better is what makes it good is it comes in with this cover right there. So I'm gonna reroute this wire first, then I'm going to put this bracket. Yeah, and then fully assemble my catch can and overflow, and that should be it.
So let me push this through the other side.
She is on Donkey Kong. There you go. Man. Man, oh man. Alright, this thing just simply slide on. Alright, right there. Okay, tight. I'm done with this. You are done, son. You know, I have not driven this car right after I have fixed the engine stall problem. It's because of this. I said to myself that I have to fix this first. That way I can really take it out there. Okay. If you twist it counterclockwise, it treads on. Right on. And let me put some lube on this. I think it got on. Well, until now I still don't have the aluminum wrench, so I'm just gonna simply now I need the other end, the clamp on, clamp off.
Too bad I couldn't get a thing to put on here. I don't know what size this is. I think I need to go under the hose. Yeah. Oh yeah. I like it, man. I like it.
Alright, so these three will be tied in together. I think that should be enough. Yeah, this is one of those $30 overflow canister. Look, cheap paint. And it has a vent hole right at the center. Right there. Just to let the air out. Okay, no leak. Nothing. Well guys, I'm gonna end the video for my overflow coolant, and that's how I made my my overflow coolant tank. I think I better try my intercooler pipe. Make sure I got enough room. Oh, okay. Yeah, there's plenty of room. That's a good thing. Cool. You know, I have one problem here. I need to grind the cap just a little bit right here. It's touching the there's always something. Okay. Let me do that. Hi. Yeah, there's always something. Come on. Okay. So now I need to get I'm gonna grind this, the ear. Yeah, I'm gonna grind the ear off. Okay, there it is. Ow! Ooh, that's hot. Yeah. All right. There you go. Yeah. That's it. Alright guys, I think I'm done with my coolant overflow tank. Now I can really take her out on the road, and that's how I do it, and that's how I did it, as you can see. Alright guys, I'll see you guys back. I hope you like this one. Bye everyone, take care.